Jai Hind, my dear students. Welcome back in the class. So today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is desert region. So here we are going to study about desert, its climate, vegetation and wildlife and life in the desert region. Okay. So what we are going to learn in desert. Number one, we will learn about its climate. Then number second, we are going to learn about vegetation and wildlife. Number three, we will learn about last people living in desert region or life in desert region. Life in desert region. These are the topics which we will cover in this chapter, desert region. So my dear students, as you all know what are deserts? Deserts are a very large sandy landforms, or you can say desert is a large area of land that has a very little rainfall and a very few plants. Okay. What are desert? Desert is a large area that has a very little water or a few plants. That means in desert area you will find water very little and very few plants like cactus and all. Okay. So in the whole earth we have a different, we have some of the desert which are found all over the world. For example, they have given you in your book that Sahara and Kalahari Desert is located in Asia. Then you have Great Victoria Desert in Australia. Then you have Thar Desert in India. Then you have Atacama and Patagonia Desert in South America. And few more deserts are there. You can read from your book. So this is your desert. Now we have two types of desert. We have another desert also, that is cold desert. Now what are cold desert? Cold desert are a region which have warm summers but extremely cold winters, okay, and less rain or snow. Now these mostly are located, or you can say these mostly are found in South America or Ladakh, and some of the you can say desert, cold desert, which they are Gobi Desert. Okay. Then you have this Atacama and Antarctica and Atacama in South America, Ladakh and Gobi Desert in Asia. These are few examples of desert which are found in all over the world. Okay. Now we are going to start with the topic, that is climate. Now in desert area you will see it experiences extreme climate. Okay. It experiences extreme climate. Extreme climate means that during daytime the temperature of the desert is very high. Why? Because of the sunlight. Okay, and the sand which is present there, and during the night time it is okay time. Okay, it is cool. And it is saying we have extreme climate. Why extreme climate? Because in desert region, if winters are there, so winters will be extremely cold, and if summers are there, summers are extremely cold. Okay. Then we have desert region are also prone to sandstone. सैंडस्टोन मतलब होता है कि जैसे हमारे यहाँ तूफान आता है तो डेजर्ट एरिया में सैंड का तूफान आता है. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सेड दैट डेजर्ट आर आल्सो प्रोन टू सैंडस्टोन. सो दिस वाज अबाउट द क्लाइमेट ऑफ द desert area. It is not only in Thar desert we have in India. It is not only there that we are experiencing very high temperature. No, it is all over the world where the deserts are. You can say the Sahara desert, the Kalahari desert, the Patagonia desert. All these deserts experience the same climate, extreme climate. Okay. Then we have vegetation and wildlife. Second topic is your vegetation and then your wildlife. Now, due to the extreme climate which is present in the desert, the plants, or you can say the vegetation are of the same type. Okay, are of that type which can easily adapt to the climatic condition of the deserts. So many, because of the dry and hot conditions, so plants and animals they are found are according to the climatic conditions. So the plants which are found in desert area are cactus. You have heard this name also before also. This is the very important plant which is found in desert area. Then you have this thing, acacia. This is one of the species of plant. Then you have bushes, etc. And many more plants which are found in desert region like baobab. Okay, so these are the plants which are found in the desert area. In desert also there are oases. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what is oasis? Like oasis, this is the spelling of oasis. Now oasis is a very you can say small pond where you will find water, जहाँ पे पानी होता है. ठीक है, तो this is a small pond you can say, or a lake of water which is found in desert area. Then you have wildlife also, or we can say the animals which are found in desert area. Now the animals which are found in desert area, the famous animal is your camel. Now camel is also known as the ship of the desert. Why it is known as the ship of the desert? Because camel is one of the animal which can live without food for weeks and weeks, for water and weeks, and it store water in its lumpy, you can say humpy or lumpy. So that is why it is known as the camel ship of the desert. Then you will find lizard, foxes, camel, lizard, foxes, and then you have snakes. So all these animals and many more animals, like they have given you here, scorpion is there, beetles is there, hyenas is there. So these are the wildlife, or you can say these are the animals which are found in desert area. Now people living in desert region, or you can say life in desert region, due to the extremely hot climate, Very few people live in desert area. Okay, why? Because we as a people don't have tendency to live in an extremely hot climate. Okay, so those people who are born, born there, they adopt the climatic condition of that area. Okay, for example, if we are in Haryana, and here it is very hot, but as compared to the desert area, it is like much better than the desert area, because the desert area experiences very hot climate than Haryana. Okay, so the people who are born in desert area, they have the they have the same climatic condition, they adopt in the same climatic condition, and we as a people of Haryana, we adopt this climatic condition because we are born here. Okay, and if we will go to the desert area, we will not able to survive there, or we will say no, we want to go back. Like for when we जब हम घूमने के लिए जाते हैं, that is a different thing. हम घूमने के लिए जाते हैं, then we came back to our hometown. But वहाँ पे रहना is very difficult. So people who live there, have a very, you can say, they live in a very hot condition, and they have to suffer a lot there. As in desert area, I have already told you that water is very less. There is a scarcity of water, so people have to go, people have to walk miles and miles to fetch water. So it is, you can say, people living in the desert area live in a very extreme, or you can say very bad condition. Okay, they don't have proper access to water, proper access to anything like as we have now. The second thing we are, I was saying that people living in desert area move from one place to another place in search of water, and I have told you about oasis. So people in desert, they occupy the place, or they live there where there is a oasis, there is a water. So they move from one oasis to the other oasis in search of water with their herding animals also. And they are known as the nomadic tribes. Now, people living in this region, the desert region, cultivate vegetables. Okay, then they cultivate dates, then they cultivate barley and rail. Millet is the most important crop which are grown in desert area, near oasis, near water area. Then barley, wheat are also grown near water area, or you can say near the oasis. Some deserts are also rich in minerals. Like most of the desert, they are rich with minerals, or you can say they are blessed with minerals, because minerals like petroleum, copper are also found in the desert region. Mining is also one of the important occupation in such region, in the desert region. Petroleum deposits are also found in in Arabian countries. Sorry, not Arabian country, but Arabia. Arabia is one of the important country. Arabia, Iran, then we have Sahara Desert. So Iraq. So these are the places where petrol, work of petroleum is also there. So you can say that in desert area, they are also blessed with some of the important natural minerals like petroleum, then you have copper, which are found in desert area. So my dear students, this was all about your chapter desert region. In this chapter, we have learned about desert, all those deserts which are found in all over the world. Then we have learned about cold desert also, climatic conditions, vegetation and wildlife, and people who are living in this desert region and how they live there. So I'm going to be, for the time being, after listening the video, please try to do the exercise of your own from the book.